What's up, guys? If you're tired of spending hours editing photos and want an AI solution that does the heavy lifting for you, you've got to check out Evoto AI. This new photo editor claims to revolutionize your workflow with just a few clicks. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around as we explore its features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you decide if it's worth it in 20. Evoto AI is a cloud-based photo editor that leverages artificial intelligence to streamline the editing process. The platform offers a suite of tools, including automatic skin retouching, background removal, and advanced color correction, all designed to deliver professional-grade results effortlessly. One of its biggest selling points is the speed. Edits that would normally take hours can be done in minutes thanks to its AI algorithms. For photographers and social media creators, the batch editing feature is a game-changer, ensuring a consistent look across multiple images with minimal effort. On the downside, Evoto AI operates on a subscription model, which might not appeal to everyone, especially casual users who don't edit photos frequently. Another potential con is the reliance on AI, which, while impressive, isn't flawless. You might encounter situations where the AI overprocesses an image. Additionally, being cloud-based means you'll need a good internet connection to use it smoothly, which could be a deal-breaker for some. Despite these drawbacks, Evoto AI is a powerful tool that excels in speed and convenience, making it a solid choice for those who prioritize efficiency in their editing workflow. There are several pricing tiers for what appears to be a subscription-based service. The first tier is US $80 discounted to US $47 for screen-friendly viewing, which includes access to My Media, support for 2 devices, and a code with web subscription. The next tier, Back Plus Mid, costs US $134 discounted to US $117 and covers IM Media, 3 devices, and similar subscription perks. The Back Plus Plus Mid tier is priced at US $242 and offers AAM Media, 4 devices, and subscription benefits. The Market Plus Mid tiers are higher end, with the first at US $521 for AAM Media and 5 devices, and the second at US $1,412 for AAM Media and 5 devices, and the second at US $1,412 for IM Media and 6 devices. Beyond these, the service may also offer a pay-as-you-go option for flexible, non-subscription use, and an enterprise plan for large-scale business needs with custom pricing and features. The tiers vary in media access, device limits, and cost, catering to different user needs. And that's the scoop on Evoto AI. It's fast, it's smart, and it's packed with features, but it's not without its flaws. Would you give it a try, or do you prefer more control over your edits? Drop your thoughts below, and if you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Excess, device limits, and cost, catering to different user needs.